and they had some opinion regarding the manner in which the investigation is conducted so far, and they have now advised that perhaps the investigation should be monitored directly by Superintendent of Police North, and he should then guide the concerned PI or whichever other responsible officer, because the High Court, Honorable High Court was of the opinion that the investigation had some lacking in the way it was done so far. After the High Court passed the order on 8th July saying that the order of demolition has to be complied and executed, there was also a mention that this should be done in the presence of the police officers and with police protection if required. So when this incident happened, there was no police officer who was present at site. So the court inquired why no police officer was present at site, irrespective of the incident which has happened. So therefore it was informed to the court that as early as on 10th of July, the concerned higher police officers and the deputy collector and the SDO etc. were all informed that police protection has to be rendered. But from the higher officer to the SDPO, the letter had already travelled by 13th of July. And from 13th of July till 17th evening, the SDPO had not even intimated the concerned PI that such orders are passed by the High Court and necessary police officers should be deployed at site.